Hey guys, in this video I want to show you how you can set up color swatch inside of your bundle in a Rapi bundle for your product. So it's very simple. Inside of Rapi, you want to simply select your product bundle, and by default it will look something like this. If you have a product with multiple colors, it will simply display a drop-down menu with the different colors written in written format. For example, orange, silver, blue, whatever color you have on your and for your product. Now, what you want to do is you want to go to block. You're going to scroll down to the very bottom, and on the bottom you would see swatch colors or color swatch, and you want to enable that one. Now, by default, nothing will happen. You will have to set it up yourself. So you simply want to click on add swatches and set up your swatch. Now, the first step is that you want to select your variant, which is always in this case the color. You want to change or edit something about the colors. So you're going to select that. And now you can choose between different layouts. You can, for example, click, and this is the simplest one, on color. And automatically what Rapi will do is it will basically recognize the different colors of your product. For example, in my case, I have a phone in 3 different colors listed inside of my Shopify store: orange, gray, and blue. And Rapi will automatically recognize that and will set up the whole color swatch for you. As you can see now, it is displaying these 3 colors that I have. That's one layout you could pick. You can also select image, where you can basically insert your own images, for example, of that product. And you can also select product image, where the product images that you listed inside of your Shopify store will automatically be displayed on each variant. As you can see, the silver phone, the orange phone, and so on. You can also add a drop down. This is basically just how it looks like. If you want to have it like a drop down, it will be looking like this. And that's my personal favorite, you disable the add a drop down option, it will just be displayed inside of the bundle and the customer can see directly which colors are available. You can also change the color manually. If you think Rapi did a mistake by default, you can change the color yourself. Once you've done that, you want to click on save, apply, and save, and your color swatch will be added inside of the bundle. The last thing that you can also do is you go back to swatch colors, and on edit swatches, you can also play around and switch the size of the color swatches or the shape. In this case, it's rounded. You can make it look like a square. You can make it look like a circle. That's my personal favorite here. And then you want to click on save and it will be applied.